Discover the ultimate creative playground with the Play-Doh 22-pack Ultimate Color Variety Modeling Compound Cans. This pack offers a stunning array of colors, including 18 large 4-ounce cans and 4 standard 2-ounce cans, perfect for mixing and blending limitless shades. Watch as vibrant colors come to life, shaping and molding into endless possibilities, encouraging creativity and fine motor skill development. Crafted with trusted quality, Play-Doh compound is made primarily from flour, salt, and water, ensuring a safe and enjoyable experience for children aged 2 and up. Ignite your child's creativity with this colorful Play-Doh set, a perfect addition to any arts and crafts collection or a thoughtful gift for young creators.
Panda. 100 animals. Touch an animal. Horse. Elephant. Touch an animal to learn about it. This panda is black and white. El panda es negro y blanco.
Doodler Start lets you draw in 3D, so you can bring your ideas to life. Make a fashion statement, test drive new designs, and build your own world.